So here's a tip for no matter what level you're at, if you're just an oil changer or a master mechanic. If a car comes into your bay, always check the level of oil before you do anything on the vehicle related to it, maintenance service, or even a diagnostic process. It could tell a lot about how the vehicle is maintained by the customer. And just make a note on the repair order, the condition of the oil and the level of the oil before you start. This way, you're sort of covering yourself if there is an issue with the vehicle the customer's not telling you about. Modern vehicles, well, they don't like to be run low on oil at any time. If the oil sump and the oil pump screen become uncovered and it starts to draw in air, it can cause issues with a myriad of systems on the vehicle. Take, for instance, a variable valve timing. If air gets into the control valve, this can cause issues with sluggish performance of the variable valve timing system and other issues with the actuator itself. If the oil pickup is drawing in air and that air makes its way to a timing chain tensioner or timing belt tensioner, it can cause the engine to skip time because air does not tension the chain like oil does. So if you do run into one of these vehicles with low oil in the sump, make sure that you're talking to the customer to find out, when do they check their oil? Have they been adding oil? Is there an oil consumption problem? And remind them to check their oil maybe once a month to make sure that it's at the right level and it's not burning oil. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.